started using the weight loss injections, but it's not the answer, the complete answer, because I think you still need the support of your consultant. I've been using the one-to-one plan for a number of months, and I know at some point I will probably come off the weight loss injection, so it's really important that I have the one-to-one plan and my consultant support to help me to get to that maintenance point so that I can take control of my own diet and health and nutrition requirements. I like the plan because it provides me with the right nutrients and I can plan my diet around this. My consultant is really good for giving me support about what I should be eating and how it interacts with the one-to-one plan, and also tips on what I can do to help me achieve a good weight loss. My goal eventually is to get to maintenance. My consultant will help me get to that maintenance point.